In Ellington Valley with Dad. Beautiful place. Too bad we have all these other people with us. Look at all the tourists. They even have buses way down there. Too many people. Almost to Milford Sound. Checking out these beautiful Alps and going there. Our rental car. We're pretty much just getting out of the lake car right now to check out the glacier water up here. Alright, so we're switching areas now. We're trying to check out a different angle of the lake. Not the lake. Keep calling it a lake. The river. Oh, I'm excited. Where did he go? Oh, here it is. What's he doing? Mr. Selfie guy over there. Check how clean that water is. Probably can drink that. Mr. Selfie, what are you doing? Heading back to the car now. Trying to head to Milford Sound and get over and trying to get over these rocks. Milford Sound from Satuya. Not sure what this valley's called, but we're here. We're heading that way to Milford Sound. Glacier. Glacier water. What do you think? Is it cool?
Very cool.
All the tourists are getting off the bus now. So we just pulled into a spot, and what do I see? Two alpine parrots. Let's see if we can get them in there. Oh, it's like a couple. I don't know. Do birds mate for life? I'm not sure. Look at the mountains. Here's where we just came from. Beautiful. Of course, my dad again. Taking selfies. But checking out the waterfall.
See the people that hiked up there, Josh?
The tunnel before we enter Milford. Give you perspective. Tiny person. Big mountain. Yep, very big mountain. So we've made it to Milford Sound. So we're just deciding on which boat we wanted to take.